You want some? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to give y'all something with baking and everything. If y'all ever went to Red Lobster, the best part of Red Lobster is their biscuits. And I went to Sam's the other day and I was like, man, I know I've seen the box of the biscuits before, but I just didn't know where. And I was looking all over Sam's for almost an hour looking for the biscuits. But guess what? We found it. This video is not sponsored in any type of way, but this is the box of the biscuits, and it comes in a 4-pack with 40 biscuits. So if you divide that, that's gonna be in 1 pack. You're gonna get 10 biscuits. All right, and it's simple. All you're gonna need is cold water, sharp cheddar cheese, and this pouch. So if you're ready for this, come with me and let's get right into the video. So before you do anything, please make sure that you wash your hands, wash your area, make sure your area is clean, because we don't need no germs over here. Okay? All right. Please make sure that you preheat your oven to 425 degrees. So let's cut this bad boy open. But I will let y'all know, it is 2 parts of these ingredients. There's the biscuit dough and there's the herb butter sauce. So make sure you have 2 bowls. I got one right here and one right here. Okay. So the first ingredient that you're gonna need is 3/4 cups of cold water. Make sure it's cold, not warm. Cold. Brr. Okay. So let's get 3/4 of a cup. I really hope this turned out so good. Let me go ahead and drink some water. Water break. That water busting. 3/4 cup of cold water. And then you're gonna need you some Kraft sharp cheddar. So it says that you're gonna need 1/2 cup. So let's put, make sure y'all can see this. So let's put 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar. Okay, put your cheese. Now it's time to mix. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, the bowl not liking me, y'all. I gotta lift it up. And it's gonna be real thick. Mix, 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 mix. It also says don't mix it too much, so make sure y'all don't over mix. But this is how it should look. Look good to me. It says to scoop it immediately. So we're gonna scoop. It's kind of messy. It's real messy. Scoop. Some biscuits is gonna be bigger than the other one, y'all. Oven is almost preheated, so right after you scoop this, you're gonna put it in the oven. Remember 425 degrees, don't forget, because by the time you're done, your oven should be done, okay? Go in the oven for maybe 14 to 16 minutes or until it's golden brown. Make sure it's cooked. You don't want to eat no dough. You heard that? Duh. Oven done, so let's put it in the oven. Hold on. Hey Google, set a timer for 16 minutes.
All right, 16 minutes.
Now.
And we're starting now.
Thank you, Google. Okay, so yes, that's garlic herb seasoning. So all you're gonna need is one of these herbs and some butter. So when it becomes about 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's make this herbal mix. Oh, timer ready. Hey Google, turn off timer. So it says use 1 packet. This thing comes with 4 packets. Put your mix in there. And it says that you're going to need 1/4 cup of butter. Before we get any further, make sure that you like and subscribe to this video. Also follow my social medias. It's gonna be enough. Pour that in there. Stir it up. This thing down. It's pretty hot. I don't have a brush, so I'm just doing it like this. You hear that sizzling? Ooh. Y'all is sizzling, like seriously. And then it just says serve immediately. But I ain't crazy. This thing just came out the oven. Okay, so kind of scared. It's hot. Ooh, that's hot. So good. If you have not, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also follow my social medias. I will make sure it's popping up here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.